What's up with it? YouTube, Facebook, and yeah, whatever streaming sites I be on. What's up, y'all? I'm in it to win it. We're going in MT5. We're about to do some technical analytics and hopefully secure the bag and capitalize. So MT5 is back up. Earlier I went live and it was down. I don't know what the hell. Like, mm, I couldn't open the trade, so now it's good. Now we're in there. So excuse me. Now we're in there like swimwear, baby. So if you want to, I could explain everything, put y'all on all that good stuff. But you really just got to be into it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're in there. Uh, let's check out what we got going on. U.S. dollar, Japanese yen. Right now, the markets are open. So yeah, right now we're going in. I'm live on multiple platforms. So let's go. Wherever you're tapping in from, which is like nobody at all, because I'm the only one that's like really interested in this shit right now here, and the people I fuck with don't fuck with this whatsoever. So I'm in it by myself to win this. Once I start like fucking pulling profits and shit, that's when everybody's gonna be all interested and be like, "Oh wow, this is great! Wow, what are you doing there?" You know what I'm saying? Right now, like I don't have anything to show for it, so you know what I'm saying. I really got to put all that studying to work. You feel me? Spew me. So right now, we're on 15-minute chart. We got to go to hour chart and see what's going on. Okay, this is what was going on when I was analyzing it last week. The 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. This is the times on the bottom. Was the dates. We come in a little closer, you know what I'm saying? So this is the 18th and 19th. 19th, this is today, and the 20th. Uh, oh, yeah, 17th, April 18th, 19th. So it looks like overall it broke this level. So now this is the new uh, resistance level. I'm gonna bust out my notes. They're in the my backpack, so I gotta go grab them real quick. Yeah, I gotta go get my binder with all the freaking it's the notes, man. So you could see right here was losing its buying power. So sellers were selling. All the buyers were selling, so it's selling off. Yeah, they're fighting a war right here. Um, so we're dropping down. Oh wait, let me mark off this area. This is the new resistance. I mean, demand, supply and demand. So this is a new supply. It broke it. It broke the demand, supply and demand, the fucking top line, whatever. It broke structure. So now, um, we gotta follow that. Know what I'm saying? Go down to 30 minutes and see more detail of what's going on in here. So these all indicate 30 minutes each candlestick. So you could see what's going on here. We could we could mark down with this trend line, this right here, boom. That's a key zone. Down here, you could see it tested it all the way over here. I mean, like it's going in. We're gonna, that's a good little area. It's like a wedge or some shit. Drop down to a minute. Oh no, wait, that was way too far. 15 minutes. So we went from 1 hour, 30 minutes to 15 minutes. And we see is that it shot up this, that's buying power. It was consolidating right here, sideways market. Um, it was a downtrend to sideways market. It was consolidating over here. So now price action. So this is 15-minute candle. I'm gonna do a horizontal. Excuse me, vertical. Right? This is vertical. I believe so. Yeah, vertical. A vertical line. Duh. Horizontal. Hey, my name's Steven. Uh, to signify that 15-minute candle. So that's our little marker of where we're analyzing, where we started analyzing this, uh, what's going on in the market right here. So it looks like this looks like it it had a resistance, it resisted, and then it's going back up. Because this buying power is strong, these strong ones. This is all not too strong buying power at all. This is strong. This is strong. This is ass. This is ass. Okay, drop down to 5 minutes time frame, and you can see just bullshit. This is very shitty. It was consolidating against sideways market. Now it could either break this line again and go up after it's consolidating. This is probably like a distribution phase because this was like a downtrend. Then you have your distribution, and now it should sell more, go down back this way, I believe. I forgot what our higher time frame was up to. So yeah, I made this high over here. I'm gonna sell. This is what it's doing within a minute markers, minute candles. I mean, So I don't know why the fuck it's not letting me sell. And I tried selling over here, and I would have made fat profit. Maybe I should buy. I don't know. I wanted to sell, and it didn't let me. I'm just going against what I had thought I was gonna do. Have my stop loss in play. My take profit and my stop loss. So we'll let that play out. Um, it could. I'm gonna let that just play out, and so that's U.S. dollar, Japanese yen. So we can't forget that. So I could jump back to that. I'll let that. I already applied the stop loss, so it reached its uh this low. So it's probably gonna revert from it. Uh, 2.00 margin. So that gives me like more buying power, I believe. Um, 16 lines of blow and I'm fine. I can't tell my wrongs from my right. I can't tell my wrongs from my right. Hey, y'all tap in. Crazy doodle. I can't tell my wrongs from my right. She popping the pills and perky, now she feeling horny and she wanna fuck, but I just was a face and I skated in her mouth 'cause she love how it tastes. Now she really loving the sauce once I'm done. I tell her get lost, bitch, go and kick rocks. I remember pulling up at the art gallery, freestyling every Tuesday. You know that I'm feeling real eager, grab the mic and hear my voice from the speaker. Sipping on mud out of styrofoam. My other hand got me a microphone. Pop me some Zans, now my problem's gone. Ain't nobody want to hear no riddance. Oh, I'm up there. Chart settings. So my take profit, it's about a smack on that shit, yo. Let's go, baby, baby. Wonder who you'll. smash papas with when I'm gone. So I'm tapped in on my phone. If you want to comment, I'll comment and respond. Be like, hey Ed, good job. How's your day? I'll be like, oh, it's been going okay. Thanks for your concern. Just kidding. Oh, it has captions on my video, and I just read everything I said. It was so funny. So right now, there is like this account is like the lowest. Like this is like low risk. So really, I've managed this account properly. I could blow it up. You know what I'm saying? Because this has a stop loss. I could only lose out certain amount, and then it pulls out this trade. But I could gain like until it fucking I pull out. You know what I'm saying? Or I hit my take profit zone. What is dope about this is that I could trail my stop loss and move it up positions over here to secure profits. And then once it hits back that stop loss, it'll stop and pull out and give me the profits that securing the profit. So I would drag this stop loss up that way, boom. And then if it comes back down, it's securing your profits. You know what I'm saying? Like it's hard to really explain without actually doing it, but I've done it on my YouTube live before, and I had executed a trade wonderfully, like badass. But a couple trades after that, I had ended up burning it my profits. And right now, so I'm at $30, and let's blow this account up. That's my goal, is to really put all of my studying, all of my hard work of studying and everything, my time I've invested in myself, to actually put everything to use and really, 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 really go for it. I don't want to use the word try because I'm gonna do this shit. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm gonna do this shit. I swear on everything I love. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm in it. I'm like there's always a process to everything, and I trust this process. I trust it so much. I believe in myself so much. Like I can't like I can't stress it enough. Like I can't really I don't know how to put it in words. I'm just really thankful that I get to trade. I get to do this. I have the opportunity to learn, study, and apply it. And I have the opportunity to, I'm just thankful for this opportunity to be able to like progress in this world and have something else to look forward to and motivate me and have hope and faith in everything and put my willpower to use. And I really, really, really believe in myself, and I believe with it, like the right willpower, the right perspective, and everything, I get anything done. And you as well, you could get anything you done as well. Like I know nobody fucking listens to me because I have nothing to show for it right now. And when I do have something to show for it and people start listening, then it's on. You know what I'm saying? We finna be good. We finna eat. Cause literally, I've fucking burned a lot of money. Burned a lot of fucking money. But do I regret it? No. I gained I gained I gained insight. I gained the emotional uh, perception of trading. I've gained, like, I learned off of my errors. That's why high frequency trading on pocket options is brutal. Like that's the most brutalist platform you could ever be on. Well, Quotex too, and there's other like high frequency trading, but those are the main two that are just like real brutal. Like you have to really time everything. I've hit like I've hit good profits on pocket options, but I never secured them. That's where I fuck up, is I don't secure my profits. I ended up blowing them, trying to like make my account pop. Like I'm trying to pop off my account. So when I hit my profits, I'm like, okay, there's more money I could trade with and increase my buying power. Well, I end up fucking it off. So it's a battle between like my own mental. Spoke of was and where. Oh, no, what you wanna say to you. Stop. Stop scrolling. Stop scrolling and watch. Stop. Stop. I can get someone's attention and they'll learn. Actually, they'll learn better. They'll learn something. They'll be like, hey, this guy is got a good head on his shoulder. Let's listen to it. That boy going places. Feel me? One way or another. For to come up. See that reversal? That's a good sign. I like that. These candles, they're even though they're red and they're bullish, they have excuse me, they have buy written all over it because first of all, the wicks on the bottom and it closed out on top. So you could tell it's already the momentum's going up. It's buying power. Even though it keeps continuing to go down, like what the fuck? Reverse. I wish I had that Uno card reverse. Slap it on there. Reverse, motherfucker. You motherfucker. For all we know, in the next hour, it could be all the way the fuck up here. You know what I'm saying? And make a new high. But let's go. We gotta start analyzing PX50. No. Sway markets, standard, commodities, indecencies, indices, whatever the fuck. Metals, energy, no. US oil, gold. Where the fuck is gold? Gold, US dollar. Right here. It's been fucking brutal. Hold on, look. That's the okay. It's been at its highest high for this last 3 years. It's been gold has been its highest high since fucking 2005, 2007. I forgot, but it's at its highest high. I believe it's going to continue to make it higher. But there's a lot of opportunity in this. See, so far it's reversing from the highest high it made. it's decreasing in value. So what we could be seeing here and anticipate it's price shoot all the way back up. So I got invited to some type of video for a band, music video shoot for a band. They invited me to an after party, private party. I was like, I don't drink anymore. It's been like 4 months, but I'd be down to vibe and smoke. You feel me? Spiel me? Oh, I already see bets on the boxing. Hit my line if you're trying to bet on the boxing. I work. Money's good. I'm a working man. I pay up my E. What? Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Ooh. Oh yeah. That's how people be when they record their ad libs. They're like, oh yeah, A what? A whoa. Gra, ba ba ba, pew pew, fa fa, gra. Yeah. A what? A yeah. Oh, oh man. A yeah. That's how. That's what all you hear when record ad libs. You like that? Like that burp? Yeah. I'm about it. I'm about tired of this. I'm about to download Tinder. I'm just kidding. It's a little jokey joke. All right, let's. I need to quit slacking on my phone. Get to work. Get to work, Edward. It's crazy, right? I'm like fucking have to discipline my own self to get the fuck off my phone and go to work. I know, right? I'm great. I'm great at this. I gotta go take a fat ass whiz. Give me a second. Got 20 bad bitches on the island. Already, let's go. I dropped the piss float. All I see over here, all I see in all this shit is opportunity. Just like how I told you, I get to do this shit. I don't have to. I want to. I get to. This is badass. This is badass to me. Like, I'm really, really stoked on this shit. I could gain financial freedom somehow, some way. Just gotta manage everything right. Execute everything wonderfully. You like that? You like that burp? It's good. It's a good burp. Just kidding. Excuse me. Why is it not letting me open a position? That's weird. That boy a fool with it. I swear to God. Ooh. Oh, you're gonna go lofts right there. I need to get the fuck off the phone and get to work again. Caught myself being stupid. Mindless media. I need to get my head in the game, baby. Let's go. Uh, so I'm looking for possible entry. I got these two working right now. Hopefully they shoot to target. I don't know why it's not letting me do it. There's so many points far away. Mm. That's where I fucked up. Is I was at an hour time frame and I based my entry off that when I should have went to the smaller time frame and then based my entry because now I have this huge ass stop loss that's negative 349 points and this super huge take profit that's like fucking the same amount of points. You see, price just totally went all the way up here from here to here within like a whole fucking day. Right here, that right there. That made someone fucking bank. I know for sure. I don't like I don't like how I entered here. Yeah, this buy order should have probably been a sell order because now that I had looked at the lower time frame, I realized that what's going on in the market in the now. I based my entry off of a 1 hour chart. That's why my stop loss was so far from each other, and the entry. That's brutal. So totally rocks. Squirt noggin.
Hey, I'm Sarah from Lead Online Branding Jobs here. I'm so glad you found the stage. Are you looking for a job that you can do online? I don't mean some get rich quick scheme that promises you millions of dollars for 5 minutes of paid work. Because let's face it, we both know those never actually work. The kind of job I'm talking about is the kind of online job where you can log in at Walmart whenever you want, put in an honest shift at work, and use $20 to $50 per hour for your time and money. If you are looking for a real online job that you can start getting paid for today, make sure you stick around for the next 5 minutes. Because the very fact that one of our partners has sent you to this page means that we very likely have an online job that's suited for that you can start right away and that you can do on your laptop or phone from anywhere in the world. Let me explain why. Did you know that over 100 million people worldwide now work remotely from home? The laptop lifestyle where you work from bed, your couch, or the beach is a real thing. Remote workers save businesses money, increase productivity, and improve employee satisfaction for revolution. Our entire team works from home with the best, fastest, and writing experience. So I've never been away before and have no technical skills or even on the secret. Someone needs to write those social media posts, but most end up expensive professions, great emails, and live chats are full of remote writing jobs that pay you money. We also know that most people get stuck by quite daunting. watching this video, chances are you probably want to make some extra money because let's be real, last night was another huge night for me. We made $1,000. I placed three bets without commitment, and I made $300+ on each one of the games. $1,000 profit yesterday, and I've been doing it daily. I actually gamble for a living. I get all of my sports picks from Vision. You can see here yesterday is my email. I got the Cincinnati, the LA Dodgers, and the San Francisco Giants. And what do you know? We won all three games. So if you guys want to learn how to make big money like this every single day, just drop a like on this video, follow me, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll tell you all about it for free. If you guys are watching this video, chances are you probably want to make some extra money because let's be real, last night was another huge night for me. We made $1,000. I placed three bets without commitment, and I made $300+ on each one of the games. $1,000 profit yesterday, and I've been doing it daily. I actually gamble for a living. I get all of my sports picks from Vision. You can see here yesterday is my email. I got the Cincinnati, the LA Dodgers, and the San Francisco Giants. And what do you know? We won all three games. So if you guys want to learn how to make big money like this every single day, just drop a like on this video, follow me, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll tell you all about it for free. If you guys are watching this video, chances are you probably want to make some extra money because let's be real, last night was another huge night for me. We made $1,000. I placed three bets without commitment, and I made $300+ on each one of the games. $1,000 profit yesterday, and I've been doing it daily. I actually gamble for a living. I get all of my sports picks from Vision. You can see here yesterday is my email. Oh, we need it again. Need again. We need $890. Should be good. 349. Oh yeah. Oh my God. That is a lot of dreams. Look at all those reds. All right, so many opportunities at a goal. Yes. Here's a goal for it. Okay. Nice. One more spin. First row. Oh, okay, a lot of reds, two golds. Right. Yep. Oh, something for green one, but hey, that's $200. we just need to have some big tumbles in this area instead of printing. Wow. Save. And some juice. Red somehow here. Alright. Last one. Maybe. Not bad. Not bad at all. Try $200 buy. Maybe our luck goes. See, there's more connects here. This is perfect. Good. So now we just need to have some big tumbles in this area instead of printing. These fans. Oh, no, I need it. Let's take it.
This is the most funnest part. You know, got to line them up and shoot me down. I get some domino. I was wearing that little suit. I said, well, shut to let them know. Love you to hit me up. I got you for the low. Universal tech. Yeah, I need to pitch it. Here we go. Here goes nothing. Here we go. Come on. Come on, boys. We already got $3,000 back. Only 97,000 to go. So dumb. So it's just 200x, 100x. I'm happy, bro. It's a good start. We're starting off with a multi as well. Not the best one, but it's a good start. Come on. Hey, getting some tumbles, maybe reds, yellows. Oh, one off. That was a good screen, though. That's a good screen as well. How do you miss the blues? Oh, no. Oh, no, don't debate me like you were paying so good earlier. Top one. Okay, that's a good screen, right? Oh! You 5x on the last few spins like you did a few minutes ago. Yellows, please. Gosh, just dropping so many multis now, but dude, I have those spins left. We need the last spin to just hit, bro. We need the last spin to hit. Ground! No! Here we go. Here goes nothing. Here we go. Come on. Come on, boys. We already got $3,000 back. Only 97,000 to go. So dumb. So it's just 200x, 100x. I'm happy. It's a good start. We're starting off with a multi as well. Not the best one, but it's a good start. Come on. Hey, getting some tumbles, maybe reds, yellows. Oh, one off. That was a good screen, though. That's a good screen as well. How do you miss the blues? Oh, no. Oh, no, don't debate me like you were paying so good earlier. Top one. Okay, that's a good screen, right? Oh! You 5x on the last few spins like you did a few minutes ago. Yellows, please. Gosh, just dropping so many multis now, but dude, I have those spins left. We need the last spin to just hit, bro. We need the last spin to hit. Ground! No! Here we go. Here goes nothing. Here we go. Come on. Come on, boys. We $100,000 back. 97,000 to go. So no, so it's just 200x, 100x. I'm happy, bro. It's a good start. We're starting off with a multi as well. Not the best one, but it's a good start. Come on. Hey, getting some pummels, maybe reds, yellows. No one off. That's a good screen though. That's a good screen as well. How do you miss the blues? Oh no. Oh no, don't do baby like you were being so good earlier. Top one.
Checkers some UFA, $2 million market cap, $25.8 million trading. Checkers some UFA, $2 million market cap, $25.8 million trading. Checkers some UFA, $2 million market cap, $25.8 million trading. Checkers some UFA, $2 million market cap, $25.8 million trading. Checkers some UFA, $2 million market cap,
Any strategy you start to trade is not going to win every single time. The point of a strategy is to give us professional traders an edge that plays out over a long period of time. So right now, I'm going to give you an example of that. For this specific strategy, my win rate fluctuates between 45% and 55% of the time. So out of 100 trades, what would that mean? That would mean I would win 45 of them. I'm going to multiply that by my reward ratio, which is 1.7. That means I have 76.5 there. How many trades did I lose out of 100 of 145? That's obviously losing 55 trades. So this gives what we call 21.5 R. The R in this equation stands for risk. So you take your 21.5, which is your edge, and you multiply it by whatever you risk per trade in percentage. Personally, I risk 2% per trade. So essentially, the edge that this strategy gives me is a 43% ROI over a 100 trade sample size. Any strategy you start to trade.
So I got some chocolate. I got chocolate and I got some pineapple. Oh, Jesus. Mm. Mm. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? That's my homeboy. So right now we got 3 entries. Um, one of them's Australian dollar versus US dollar. One is German British pound and US dollar, and then this other one's US dollar Japanese yen. Um, I just got smacked out of one. Um, so that one that I got smacked out of, the German British pound and US versus US dollar. I lost out on that one. That one hit the stop loss and pulled me out. Um, no, actually, I think I won on that one. How do I see my most recent trades? Oh, trading history. Oh yeah, that one I lost out 8 cents because I made the wrong entry. Yeah, 8 cents. That's today, right? 4/11. Is that today? No, that's not today. God damn it! Damn it! Hell. What is going on? Oh yeah. There's this one. Oh, I lost 20 cents. Oh, I believe. Well, 8 cents because what I entered was, I don't know. All I know is I got smacked out that one. Chocolate's good. I got some pineapple too from HEB. I went to go wash today. Chocolate and pineapple together. It's like overstimulating. I'm tapped in on my phone, so if anybody comments or anything, I could respond like on my phone and all that. You know what I'm saying? Um, so there's a Sony handheld supposed to drop November 2023. $200. Honestly, it's like a PSP, but it's PSP 2. That looks actually fucking badass. It looks like a Switch, but like the controls are already built in on it. That looks badass. I haven't gamed up in a long time. Honestly, I have no interest in. No matter. I mean, even though it's super fun and stuff like that, I don't really have interest in gaming up because like I don't know. I'm into like gambling and fucking Forex trading because I don't know. It has to be beneficial. Like I don't find gaming up beneficial. Like my time is more worth more than that. Unless I was like I had like financial freedom and I didn't have to worry about bills like every freaking other day coming out of pocket every other day. Then I'll be like, okay, yeah, let's play some games. But honestly, like I don't know. I gotta like focus on the come up. Once I become financial free, then yeah, okay, I'll get like every console there is. I honestly want to pick up a GameCube and get all the games. That's my goal. Is get a GameCube and get all the games that I grew up playing and then replay them, like all the story modes and everything. Like that would be all fucking badass. That is like a goal. I'm gonna get first of all, I want to get Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 4 and Underground and American Wasteland. Those are my top 3 that I want to get and play the whole story modes and coding. I want to play all that. Second on my list to get is Guitar Hero. All the Guitar Heroes, mainly the the ones that started off like 1, 2, 3, rocked the 80s and the 70s, and the other one, I don't know. Guitar Hero was fucking fun. I want to get NFL Street. I want to get Crazy Taxi. I want to get Luigi's Mansion. That game was so fucking fun. I remember I got it. I got Luigi's Mansion when it was Easter, and I had freaking like just ran straight to my basket and saw it there. I was like, oh. I like freaking disregarded everything else and just went straight to my GameCube and threw it in and played it. It was so much fun. I would get angry because it was hard and I couldn't get past a certain stage. My sister had to do it for me, but she wouldn't show me how to do it, so I couldn't do it and on my profile and then save it on my memory card. She she would do it on hers, but she wouldn't show me. Mm, hell yeah! I hit profit on that other one. What was it? Japanese yen and US dollar. Hell yeah, that one hit. I should probably. I think it'll probably keep going in the same direction. So I'm gonna buy again. If it fucking lets me. Yo, let's go. This time I put $2. A 2.2 2.00. So I believe that means $2. So if I was to put 100 shares, it'll be, I don't know. I'm not too sure exactly how to fucking measurements and calculating pips because these are pips on the side right here. So that's how you determine like where the market is. So like over here, this is a key area 134.280 because it retested that area 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different times. We could put this like that. That is a key area of supply and demand or support and resistance. Oh goshly darn, excuse me, oh my bad. Hmm. That shit reverted and took off the opposite way. I probably should have sold. Yeah, because it reached its high and I should have sold it because it reverted. Well, no going back now. What we could just hope for is that price reverses and it's just, yeah. See, like that? It closed out and it didn't close out fully at the bottom. It closed out with a wick. So that means the selling power was lost and now it's going back to or bullish. Oh, did I chip out? Wait. Yeah, it's bearish as fuck. And I'm probably going to get smacked out this trade, but I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. Mm. I'm pretty much losing that what I had just fucking won. I mean, what I just gained. Let's see. Chingawe. I got smacked out that trade from corporations. Damn it, boy. I'm getting smacked out these trades brutally by corporations. Let's just hope. Let's hope and pray. Just kidding, right? That's like two different perceptions on life is to hope and then to pray. It's like it's either you hope or you either pray. It's like you can't just like do both. That kind of contradicts your whole faith. It's like, do you believe? I believe it's like willpower. It's like if you have like a badass willpower, you set out to do anything you put your mind to. That's godly power because we were created supposedly in His image. I mean, like scriptural evidence claims and verifies that we are created in His image and in His likeness. So, from what I understand, because I'm a godlike creature with the willpower, to accomplish my dreams and aspirations. Chocolate, baby Ruth. That's how I came up with the entry. It's from the higher time frame. So now reality, I just have to wait it out. Just let it play out. Just see how like that. Let it play out. Because if I understand the higher time frame of what's going on, it's clearly bullish, meaning it's going upwards, an upwards trend. It's just um, that's bullish, very bullish. So that's what made me place that entry to buy. It was consolidating. Like right here, look, okay, this is my psychology of the trade. We have this little channel it was in, boop, 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 boop. It broke out of the channel, came back, retested this area right here, and then now it's going back up. See, that was my psychology, my trading psychology of that was why I entered buy. Because market broke out of this channel, came back and tested that area, and now it's going back upward. So and then let's see what's going on over here. Where did I? Why? How? Oh yeah, is the one where I was looking at a higher time frame and I pressed buy, and I kind of went against my regiment, red regiment, whatever it's called, trading regiment, whatever. I don't have any hope for this trade at all. My stop loss is set so fucking far because I entered at 1 hour. I should have entered at 1 minute or 5 minutes. So really, like this is a really risky trade because I could probably lose my whole account if it hits the stop loss, because that is a lot of points, like pips. So you go by pips. That's a big differentiation. But if this take profit is super high, I could flip my account to like fucking 4 times that off of this one trade if it does go up within the next hour. So this one I'll have open for over an hour or two, because at this rate, each one of these candlesticks is 1 hour. You know what I'm saying? So really, it's just a matter of time before it shoots up or it shoots down. And if it shoots down, then I'm gonna get smacked out of the trade brutally. My margin 5.35, which gives me higher buying power. Let me grab my notes real quick. Give me a second. Feels good because today I went to go wash my clothes, so now there's not all this freaking cluster of dirty clothes. And I kind of cleaned up a little bit, and it's rare that I ever clean up because I live alone, so I don't really expect to look good for anybody. So I know I should at least make it look good for myself and be tidy, but I'd be working so much and I'd be lazy and I just let shit cluster up, and I don't know. I'm still trying to make my home feel like a home. It's weird because like I never really. It's been years since I actually had a place that I call home. You know, like, and even now it doesn't really feel like a home. It just feels like a little stepping stone to my next, like, I don't know. I don't know how to put it. I have a whole different set of anxieties. Like I thought I had anxiety before. Now I have a whole different set of anxiety. Like it's a whole different ball game. Like now that I have my own little property, it's like I don't I don't own it. I'm renting it, but still, like it's like I never had that anxieties when I was like fucking sleeping on the streets and going to the fucking gym every morning. Like 26-year-old Oklahoma substitute teacher, wife to police chief, arrested for allegedly kissing and sending nudes to 15-year-old boy. If you don't get your ew, that boy player, pimpin'. about to get smacked out that trade bad, yo. I just can't believe that I put that stop loss so low. It's kind of scary. Really scary how I put it so low. It might hit the stop loss and I get smacked out fucking $1 or $2. Brutally. It may not seem like much, but if you add up all the fucking dollars that I've lost over the past 7 months, it's like 2,100 something dollars. Like 2,300 if you add what I did on Quotex. Oh yeah, and then Fidelity or Ameritrade. I had like over. I did $150 deposit. I know I have like 50 something dollars in the account, but I left one of my trades open for the weekend, and they ended up closing my account and said I couldn't trade. I'm like, bitch! Like I still got 50 something bucks in the account. Like, am I gonna get? Like I have to make a withdrawal, but it's not. It's like a big process. I'm like, fuck. I'm just maybe they could like let me reopen Ameritrade. And I don't know. I liked it better because it was through Forex Ameritrade, and you could utilize Trading View. That was a good platform. So I got my notes, and I was gonna. Uh, yeah. So, what are leverage and margin, and how do they work? A margin account allows you to have increased buying power. Leverage and margin have an inverse relationship. The higher the margin requirement, the lower your leverage ratio will be. The leverage ratio shows how much the trade size is magnified as a result of the margin held by the broker. Using the initial margin example above, I can't show y'all that because it's really, I didn't write anything down. I just wrote the notes. The leverage ratio for a trade would equal 100 to 1. So 100,000 to 1,000. In other words, for a $1,000 deposit, an investor can trade 100,000 in a particular pair. You know what I'm saying? So margin and leverage accounts are leverage and margin accounts are good because it increases your buying power. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's good for these stop losses and everything because you could trail your stop loss and keep keeping on. But right now, like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing because right now I'm just. This is like honestly the first like 2 or 3 weeks since I've used this MT5. I have just been doing high frequency trading on pocket options. That's where I learned all of my analytics and everything. But once you know chart patterns and all that, then it's pretty much universal to all platforms that have candlestick chart patterns like this, you know? So I'm very, very, very blessed, thankful, and grateful to be able to have the opportunity to be trading. I'm in this, you know what I'm saying? I'm in it. I'm in it to win it. I don't doubt myself 1 second. You know I will take more losses. I have took losses. I took very bad losses up until, you know, I mean, I know I'm still going to continue to take losses, but eventually I'll break out and make my profits and I will make what I lost back. I'm not too worried about what I lost because I know that all that's mandatory. In order for you to fully learn something, you have to go through it. Like I used the analogy last time. I was like, it's like waterless swimming lessons. You know what I'm saying? Like I can't just study, and then expect to be like a pro trader. I gotta go in there in the market and actually fucking put in work. And you know, that's what I'm doing now. Right now, it's like I'm fucking analyzing structure, and placing my entries, and seeing what I'm doing right and what I'm doing wrong, and learning from there. Just like anything, if I'm gonna go out and skateboard and learn a new trick, I'm gonna try it over and over again until I realize, okay, this is where it's good if I put my foot here. It's good if I lean this way a little bit, and I pop right here, and then flick here, and then stay over the board. There's all these things to it, just like trading. There's all these things to it, and I gotta master it in order to be profitable. And I believe in myself. I don't need anybody else to believe in me. I don't need anybody. I know like it will help. The support will help, but I don't need. I don't need it. I don't need the support because I know that I got myself. I bet on myself. Like I will. Like I'm all I got. Like I know that I won't give up. And that's something that I'm also thankful for. I'm grateful for that. I have badass hustle. I got badass grind. I got work ethic. If I go into work tomorrow and they're like, hey, like in order for you to fucking or like they just tell me something like, oh, you got to do this side work, da da da, blah blah blah, or like some shit, something happens, something, and I'm gonna fucking do it 100%. I'm not gonna, even if it's something that I don't feel like doing, I'm gonna do it. I say, oh hey, go fucking sweep under this table and wipe it down and set it because someone left it last night and they forgot to do it. I'm gonna be like, oh okay, shit, I got them. I'm not gonna talk shit and be like, oh, those fucking fucks, they fucking need to learn how to do their job right. Nah, it's whatever. Like I got you. I'm gonna take care of it, and I'm gonna do it with pride. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do that shit. I'm gonna get that shit done. Whatever my workload is, get that shit done. Having good work ethic, positive mental attitude. I've had to do some shitty jobs before. I've done demolition. Had to fucking knock down a whole chimney by myself from the roof into the attic all the way down with a fucking sledgehammer and a chisel, you know? And that was a good ass, I pretty much got paid to work out, you know what I'm saying? Like, right now, I know I'm not fucking getting paid yet. I'm not making badass profits yet, but when I do, I'm gonna fucking enjoy every second of it because it's something that I actually like to do. I like enjoying, I enjoy fucking putting my brain to use and actually not just being like everybody else. I'm actually doing something. I'm actually committing to something. I'm actually you know, in it to win it. Like I said, putting my brain to use. Hello there, the angel from my nightmare. See, I don't even know if this. I haven't even used any type of indicators besides the candlesticks and the little trend lines, and other than that, I have not really used uh, MACDA or whatever, or any other indicators moving average indicators. None of that. Mm. let's check them out. Let's see what's up. Where would the indicators be? Right here, right? Yeah. Okay, so we got the accelerator, oscillator, accumulation slash distribution. Oh, that's actually good. Let's see. We got the alligator, average directional movement indicator, average true range. We got the awesome oscillator. We got bears power. We got boiler bands, bull power, commodity channel index, demarker, envelopes, force index, fractals. That's a good one. Gator oscillator, Ashimoku Kinoku Hayo, MACD, market facilitation index. We got the momentum. That's a good one. We got money flow index. We got moving average. We got moving average of oscillator. We got on beam volume. Pro, pro parabolic SAR. Relative strength index. Relative vigor index. Standard deviation. Stock oscillator, triple exponential average, volumes, and Williams percent range. That's great. I'm gonna add that moving average. Oh shit, that should hit profit, right? Let's see. Hell yeah. That's that, right? That's point 0.36. I think that's what I just smacked on. Or was it this? I don't know what the fuck. I gotta grab my other notes. Give me a second. All right. What I got here is some notes that I took. And I know I have some indicators here on my notes that have a lot of strategies actually. Okay, ATR, average true range. So, um, average true range. Add that. Um, we We got alligator. It should be at 13, 8, and 5. That's right. So we got the ATR, alligator, and then demarker. 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 It's demarker. D-E, de. I'm just kidding. Where is it? I just saw it. Oh, it's right here. It's supposed to be at 14. Why is that like that? That's weird. Oh, there we go. Okay, if the bottom ATR and demarker pass line and revert, place a entry reverting from the line to catch the resistance from the key level. Okay, this could be reverting from the key level. Is that what that means? The key level up here and then it's reverting from it? So sell? Is that what it? Does that mean it's gonna revert? I think it is because okay, if the bottom ATR and demarker pass line and revert, place a entry reverting from the line to catch the resistance from the key level. So I'm guessing this just made its highest high at its key level. So that's I went off of this line. I want to do a trailing stop loss. See how it pulled back. I applied my stop loss and it took me out the trade. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I was looking for the EMA ribbon, and they do not have any EMA ribbon. Oh, there it is. So we got the moving average, and it's exponential. Then we have the relative strength index. So if it's upper band to 60, oh wait, above 70 is overbought, below 30 is oversold. Uh, Okay, this entry was based off of. So right now it's overbought. So I believe that there will be a reversal. Although when it was oversold, overbought over here, it continued to stay above it, going down like that, and then might go up again and overbuy it like that. It just smacked me out the trade. Mm. Let's go. It's oversold. I smacked on that last one. 50 cents. 0.59 profit. So that's what I like to see, consistency, these last ones. I don't like this one. I don't like how I could have won. I'm tired. I'm going to bed.
Yeah, Bear here. Poor thing's got a tub on its head when he's getting scared. Oh, trying to figure out how we're gonna get this tub off his head. Pretty slow. Just a baby bear here. Circle around, Ray. Circle around quick. Just get around you. Yep. Yes, gotcha. Yes, go. We saved our little bear. Good job, buddy. Swim happy. Yeah, bear here. Poor thing's got a tub on its head when he's getting scared. Oh, trying to figure out how we're gonna get this tub off his head. Pretty slow.
This shit's pissing me off. Can't believe that shit.
About you, what's the biggest lie that you make contact? What's the biggest lie?
So it's it wasn't this one to the call and response was the previous one.
Why does that look like a double bottom? I'm fucking up here.
So I'm doing archery, right? Outside my job. It's not time to clock in yet. Tell me why one of my arrows got stuck in the archery. Like, not me, just like snuck out and I get back to pull this out. Like, whoever needs to step in. Everything's like, so I'm doing archery, right? Outside my job. Blood of the covenant, blood of the covenant, blood of the covenant, which is obviously a reference to circumcision. Very clearly is a reference.
I'm feeling the hot update y'all if fucking become a multimillionaire overnight. Just kidding. Over here picking my nose.